All right, and now I have here 2 cups of boiling water that I'm gonna bring to the side. And we're going to add our black cherry Jell-O mix right into our boiling water. And I have 2 packages of our Jell-O mix that we're gonna add into this. And this is gonna go beautifully with those dark frozen cherries that we have soaking in our Coca-Cola. So we are mixing this together until all of those little pieces of Jell-O get fully dissolved into our hot water. Now, if you can't find the black cherry Jell-O, then you can just use the regular cherry Jell-O. And also you can use fresh cherries if that's what you prefer, but I wanted this to be super easy, and those frozen cherries are already pitted, so this is gonna be amazing. And we're just mixing this for about a minute until it feels like it is completely dissolved. All right, this looks like it is completely dissolved, and now we're putting this into our baking dish with our Coca-Cola and our cherries. And we're gonna continue mixing this up. And that Coca-Cola is gonna kind of act as our cold water element that is necessary for the Jell-O. But this is gonna end up tasting so delicious, especially if you love cherry Coke. So we're just mixing this in nice and quickly. Obviously, it's a little difficult with the cherries roaming around in there, but we're getting the job done. All right, this looks like it is mixed well enough. Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge until it is set. All right, our cherries are still in the fridge, but I've grabbed my little hand mixer and a chilled bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and whip up our next step of our recipe. We're starting off with our heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna put that right in there. We're gonna use this whole bottle of heavy whipping cream, which I believe this is 16 ounces. Let's double check. Yep, 16 ounces. Next, we're coming in with our powdered sugar, and we're gonna add as much as we like, just depending on how sweet you want this. Our cherries are already pretty sweet, so I'm gonna add about 1 cup. That should be plenty. And then to finish this off, I'm gonna add some vanilla bean paste, but vanilla extract also works. Beautiful. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, now we're gonna go and put our hand mixer in there, and we are gonna whip this up because we are gonna have a delicious whipped cream layer on top of that delicious cherry cola layer. Oh my, this is just gonna be the perfect addition to this no-bake dessert. So let's go ahead and whip this until we have some peaks. Oh my goodness, look how fluffy this looks. I would say that this is pretty much ready. Let's go ahead and get all of that off of our whisks. And now that this is ready, we can go ahead and grab our Jell-O. Oh my, I wish you guys could smell this. As you can see, our Jell-O is nice and set. So it is time to put our whipped cream right on top, and we're gonna actually start with smaller amounts and just kind of do little dollops like I do right on top, because we don't want to rip up our layer. We just want to create a second layer right on top. So we're gonna do this very gently because Jell-O is fragile, but this is really just gonna add a nice little creamy aspect, almost kind of like a dirty soda when you add cream into your soda. But we get layers, we get cherries, we get Jell-O. It's like a dirty soda, no-bake dessert. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we use that entire thing of whipped cream, and now we're just gonna smooth her out. Oh, it looks so fluffy and delicious. Be very, very gentle. Let's get this done. All right. I did forget to mention that you can use Cool Whip if you don't want to make your own homemade whipped cream, but this is gonna go back in the fridge for about 30 more minutes. All right, it's finally time. I'm so excited to dig into this. So I'm gonna try to use a spatula to get this out, but it might be more of a spoon thing. Yep, it's definitely like a spoon. Oh, this looks so good. I know you can only see the whipped topping, but you can kind of see in there all the layers. All right. Our cherry Jell-O dessert with Coca-Cola. This is about to be so good.
Is it good?
Oh my goodness.